Welcome to one of the most sought-after locations in all of Sacramento for retirees, Sun City Lincoln Hills. As you approach, notice the elegant tiled front courtyard. The golf course location means unobstructed views and no neighbors directly behind you. Just gorgeous fairway vistas, which we'll look at. Step inside to beautiful wood floors that flow throughout the main living areas. These aren't your typical builder-grade finishes. The formal living and dining rooms feature those golf course views that we talked about. This former Webb model home sits right on the golf course with stunning views and is just steps from the Orchard Creek Lodge. This is resort living at its finest. Being this close to the Mail Lodge, you can golf cart over to dinner at the Meridian's restaurant, catch a show in the ballroom, or swim in one of the pools without even getting in your car. This is the ever-popular Sausalito plan, and here's what makes it special. The original owner never lived here, which means you're getting a pristine, model-quality home that's been meticulously maintained and recently updated. The kitchen showcases honed granite counters and newer stainless appliances, all opening to the living room for that California indoor-outdoor lifestyle. At 2,151 square feet, the single-level floor plan gives you the space you want without the maintenance you don't. No stairs to worry about. Almost every room has multiple points of entry. The unobtrusive utility room with side door access is just the right size to get done what you need to get done. Plus, you've got 2 additional bedrooms and a den that works perfectly as an office or hobby room. There's no shame in creating a perfect environment for all your favorite pastimes. The primary suite is a true retreat with direct glass door access to the back patio. Imagine your morning coffee by the stunning model pool and fairway views. The bathroom features dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a large walk-in closet. Luxuriate in the natural light available throughout the home. The real showstopper is the backyard. You've got a built-in granite pool and spa. You can actually enjoy those hot Central Valley summers like you planned for them. The extended patio features a roll-out awning that creates even more covered outdoor space for entertaining. Iron fencing on all 3 sides provides security and just the right amount of privacy without interrupting the views. The entire irrigation system was just gone through and updated. Here's some peace of mind. The roof and pool have both been recently serviced, plus there's a clear pest report. All the major systems are taken care of. This home is truly move-in ready. At $998,000, you're getting a former model home in Sun City's most desirable location for about $464 per square foot. Compare that to coastal California, active adult communities where similar properties easily exceed $1.5 million. You get the California lifestyle, resort amenities, and golf course living without the Bay Area or beach town price tag. Homes in this location with golf course views don't last long in Sun City. Contact Tyler West to schedule your private tour. Property info and links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the showing.